describe you?
Show us how. Look at where you're
A legend in the making.
Legend.
Yeah.
Amateurs can fuck it,
That's
suck
cool.
it, fuck their
I said in the making.
Hi guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm Professor. Thank you for stopping by into this video. So into this video, I'm doing a question and answer again with you guys, and I just want to be doing my makeup and answer some questions with you guys. So if that sounds interesting to you, then definitely just stick around with me and let's just get started. Let's chat and get started with this video. Okay. So I'll be starting in cleansing my face. I will not be talking about the products. I'm not talking about what I'm doing exactly. I'll be putting on my makeup and chit chat with you guys. I have the questions here in my mobile phone. I'll be discussing with you guys. I plan them out and I'll figure them out the ones I want to answer with you guys. So if you watch my last question and answer, I didn't answer one question correctly, so I'll be answering that question in this video. But if you have not watched that video, click right here and watch that video before watching this one. So that question is, what was I like growing up to be? And I did not really give a specific answer in that video. So when I was little and when I was starting up, I just wanted to become a teacher. My dream was always being a teacher, to do teaching, like that's it. But dreams to change, and I'm actually a teacher because I actually put content here to teach you guys, to show you guys my skill and everything right here. So that's what I'll say. But let's get right into today's video by answering the question on my mobile phone. And the first one I'm going to talk about, but before I get into that, let me cleanse up my face and do my skin prep and get back with you guys. Alright you guys, I went ahead of camera and color correct. I just started doing this, like if you have watched my videos, I just started doing this color correcting. I color correct my ear area and cover that up. Around my mouth area is really dark, so I just do color correction. So the first question I'll be taking for today's video is breakfast in bed or credit alert in bed? If you guys know this boy, I like money. I will definitely say credit alert in bed. That's the only thing that makes man happy. So people like breakfast in bed, but that's optional. For me, credit alert in bed not happy, okay, because I'm a guy. So the second question I'll be going for is going for a reality show or becoming a beauty superstar. I'll say, let me look for my foundation first before I answer that question. I'm missing my favorite foundation, and that is the Flawless Ivy and my Superstay foundation. Yeah, so I'll be mixing those two together and just put that all over my face. Out aloud again. Going for a reality show or becoming a beauty superstar? I'll definitely say going for a reality show. It depending on the reality show. If you are talking about Big Brother, I'll say going for Big Brother is one thing I would really love to do and try out, but becoming a beauty superstar is what I wanted, and that's why I have a YouTube channel. So I'll definitely go for becoming a beauty superstar because I'll have my own space and have my own community, and I don't know if you guys understand, and just build my own community. But going to Big Brother, I know some of the things that go with it, and some of the struggle, and some of the stress, and some of the mental stress they face even after the show, during the show, and all of that. So I'll definitely say becoming a beauty superstar, okay, because I'm a beauty influencer. So becoming a beauty superstar is what I'll definitely go for. The third question I'll take is 2 months without sex or 6 months without social media. Which one would you choose? You guys know this answer. You definitely know this answer. I've been blending my foundation without looking at the mirror. You guys, what a guru. What a guru. What a guru. So 2 months without sex and 6 months without social media. I'll definitely say 2 months without sex, because social media is my life. This is my work. This is where I get everything from. Social media, I cannot live without it. But 2 months without sex, you guys know we can do that. We can do it. I swear. Let me tell you. I'm going to 1 year without nothing. And if are asking me 2 months, what is 2 months? I have been doing it for 1 year. I've not done nothing. I'll say, child of God. Tracy will not kill me. Tracy told me actually that I'm going to 1 year, not 2 months. So you guys, I can actually do without social media for a whole year, and I can't do without I can't actually do without sex for a whole year, and I cannot do without social media for even a day. I cannot. Let me blend out the foundation quickly and go up to my highlighting because I think my foundation is drying. So let me go up to highlighting my face already. I'll be putting on my concealer now and answering question 4. Money cause. These questions are just basically, I think, relationship about my own preference for some things. Money calls or money messages. Which do you prefer? I prefer money calls. Money calls really shows the person thinks of you before going to bed, or when the person is getting up from bed, like when the person got up from bed, the person has thought about you, and that's why that call is being placed. So money call is my tea. I like call, definitely. I like calls. That's really true. The 5th question is sex in bed or sex in the car? Mogbe. See, I'll try the 2 before I'll answer this question. You should not come for me. Sex in bed or sex in the car? I don't know. I can't give you guys that tea. I don't know for now. I don't know if it's Lamborghini car. Tell me. But I actually see those things in movies. Like those things actually happen in movies. Those sex in car, like most times sex in car happens in American movies. Most times I've not really watched any Nollywood movie I've seen sex in the car. I've not. But sex in the car is your own cup of tea. There is even sex in the trailer, sex in the roof, sex in anywhere is your own cup of tea. Okay, it's not my own cup of tea. I go fly forever. I'm gonna fly. Now broke people. I buy 50,000. I bet you guys let me start.
Now broke people they talk.
Tracy, leave me alone and your shop and slay. I know they buy.
No buy. We know they say give broke people. Maybe you follow our business.
I have finished setting up my face, so I'm going to be answering some other questions while I'll be controlling my nose. And I'm in the 6th question, which it says public proposal or private proposal. Which do you prefer? This is optional between the 2 partners, but for me, I would say private proposal is really my thing. Private proposal is really my thing. But if it's you want to do something, you have to be in agreement with your partner, because I don't want to do that public proposal or whatever. Most of you places say no. Let me console my nose quickly, but I am private. Private proposal is the best. Is the best for me. I'll say for me. I'm not saying for others. I am saying for me. The 7th question says memes or motivational quotes. I live for memes. If you are part of my WhatsApp story, you will see I post a lot of memes that are motivational quotes. Like motivational quotes I post is the ones that talk about don't giving up. That's the ones I actually post, not those ones that talk about relationship often. But I live for memes, guys. You will laugh a lot. You laugh a lot if you follow those people on Instagram that has a lot of memes. Whereas I'm not on Instagram. On Twitter. Whereas I'm not on Twitter. I don't have strength for that. I cannot start handling Instagram, handling Snapchat, handling TikTok, handling my YouTube channel, and still handling my WhatsApp as also, and still go ahead and handle and face that large audience Twitter. I'm still thinking of that, but I'm not ready to go my full face of powder now. And before I go in my full face of powder, let me go up with glitter or matte makeup. Which do you prefer? For me, I prefer matte makeup look. Matte is my vibe. Matte is what calls me every time. Even when I want to go out of my comfort zone and do something glitter, I just end up doing matte makeup look. Like really matte makeup look. That is me. And I'll be trying it. I'll be trying glitter look, but I prefer doing matte makeup looks. It can be easy to swap up with a glitter one. It's easy. Like I just love doing matte makeup look. And the last question of the day, we're coming to the end of this video actually, is phone and your relationship. Which one are you more afraid to lose? I would say my relationship or my phone. So I'll be scared to lose my phone for sure. And my phone is my business. My phone is my first love. If you guys know me very well, and those are my friends that know me, I call my phone my bed, my love of my life. That's what I call my phone. That's my relationship. That is it, period. So if you guys have your own opinions or your own answers to this question I answer on this video, do not to drop it in the description. I said description, but do not to drop it in the comment section down below. Let's talk about it more. Or you have more questions for me to answer, add me up on my personal phone number, which will be listed in the screen down below. Let me use a flat brush and go up with a lighter shade of powder to set under my eyes area. By the way, I'm using the Flawless ID powder. Ooh, I love it. I'm dusting off my nose contour now. I'm removing that excess from my nose and let everything stay in place. Oh, look at the skin, getting on the skin, you guys. I really love my skin work these days. Like anytime I do my makeup, I feel myself. My skin work is just rubber boom. So of everything, I use my full face of powder again. I mentioned instead of no ash lines, everything is simple on the skin. I feel like putting blush on my face today. But let me do those things off camera and get back with you guys. Alright you guys, I've done my finished look and I'm back with you guys. This is the end of the video. If you watch up to this part, thank you very much for sticking around with me. I answer all your questions, so just drop in the comment section down below any question you want us to talk more about, and I'll see you all in my next video. You can click these 2 videos right here to stick with me or watch more of my content. Watch more, just click and watch other ones. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye guys.